My job today was to drive this beautiful AMG GTR Pro on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, push it to the limit. And unlock the potential of the car in a lap time. It's a track with bumps, with jumps, fast corners, slow corners. Any type of corner you can basically experience anywhere around the world on a racetrack, so it's the perfect test for any machine. Very successful day. 7:04.6 is the fastest time for an AMG on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, and it was a lot of fun.
AMG, driving performance.